Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Chandrika and today I am giving review about this Biotique Bio Papaya face scrub. It's a tan removal face scrub. This is how the scrub looks like and this is the consistency. It has that fine granules and they helps to remove all the dead skin cells and blackheads and whiteheads from your face. Before talking more about this, let me show you the application of this product. Before applying it, make sure that you wash your face with any face wash or soap, then take adequate amount of product and then just apply it in circular motion starting from your nose, cheeks, forehead, chin, and don't forget your neck. If you feel like it is drying, you can add some water and then just scrub it. Make sure that you scrub in each area for 30 seconds and once you are done, rinse it off with water. You can use it daily and as needed, but I use it twice in a week, and as you all know, I do makeup every single day. After using this scrub, when I apply and remove my makeup, I feel that softness on my face and I didn't feel any dryness. Before using this, when I remove my makeup, I feel some dead skin cells or I feel that dryness on my face, but once I start using this, I didn't feel any dead skin cells or I didn't feel any dryness. It leaves moisture. Yeah, it works like magic. I love this scrub, and this exfoliating scrub is blended with pure papaya fruit, which helps to remove all the dead skin cells and it helps to unclog the pore openings, and trust me, it leaves your skin smooth and you will feel that clear skin, and it uncovers your skin's natural brightness. Once you are done washing your face, just pad dry it with any soft towel or something like that, and then look at the magic. It leaves that moisture or it leaves that smoothness for a long time. So I have pigmentation around my mouth and I have some dark spots on my face, so after using this, I feel like it reduces all my dark spots and my pigmentation on my face. So yeah, it is organically pure and preservative free, and it is dermatologically tested for safety, and the cost of this product is 199 rupees and the shelf life is 3 years and you will get 75 grams of quantity. I ordered it from Amazon, and if you are looking for an affordable and best scrubs, you can definitely go for it. I definitely recommend this scrub. It works like a magic. The only drawback I felt about this product is the kind of packaging. Like if it is a tube kind of packaging, then I don't mind applying it with my fingers, but if you look at it, you have to put your fingers into the product and you have to apply, so you have to make sure that you clean your hands while taking the product, otherwise you ended up destroying the remaining product. So yeah, if you want, you can use any spoon or spatula or something like that. So that is the drawback I felt about it, but the rest, as I said, it's like a magic. I definitely recommend this scrub. So yeah, that's it for today's video. This is my brief review about this Biotique face scrub. You can leave comments if you have any queries about this product. I would love to answer them, and don't forget to follow my Instagram. And also, if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.